but it ain't working. Oh, wee, it is working. All right, guys. Well, today we're gonna do a little bit different video than what we normally do. Cause it's hunting season, and as y'all know, I run over my feeder with a bush hog the other day and tore it up. So I bought myself a new deer feeder. So we're fixing to get it assembled, and which shouldn't take long. And then we're gonna run over, get it put out, and fill it up with feed and get it going. So this is gonna be the legs, I'm sure. And the thing I did do, and I'll be interested to see, let me show y'all here. So as you, well, the one that we got is the Moultrie Deer Feeder Unlimited, the 30 gallon. And what this one has that the other Moultrie feeders don't is the motor, which, let me show it to y'all. I have a real bad problem with coons. Not so much squirrels, even though, I mean, we do have some squirrels, but they're not quite as bad on the feeder as these coons are. These coons, they hang upside down and just sit there and spin the motor. Here's all the bolts we need. So let me show y'all here. So these little wires right here, when I get the battery in it, those wires will shock the coons, squirrels, anything that tries to reach in there, it'll shock them. So that will be interesting to see. All right, so first things first, you don't want no rocks in there. So we got to put these together. So let's see. All right, let's get all these dumped out here. See how many of them we can lose in the process. All right, so we're going to go, which end's the top? This is the top. So we're going to start, put the bolts in through the top. And I don't think there's no particular way. No, it all seats in there. Then we got a lock washer, which we're going to put a lock washer on. And then we got a wing nut. We're going to put a wing nut on. And flip it around here, make sure we can line them up good. You know, and there's a bolt. I don't know what that's for. Okay. And gum, I can't hold my mouth right on that one. There it goes. All right. So let me snug that one down a little bit. And then we're just going to go around and do this all the way around. All right, well that's done. So let's find the lid. We'll go and stick the lid on. And all it does is it's like a quarter turn. There, done. And it's on. So flip it over. And Oh, that's the angle iron piece that goes in there. Okay. Leave that out. All right, these should go just like this. All right, let's open up one pack of the legs. We're gonna get it all put all the way together and stand it up, and then I'll take the legs back off to put it in the truck to carry it. Heck gum, I don't know if I want to be no higher than this. I think we're gonna roll with this and see. Let's stand it up. I want it high enough for the bears. Let's see here. That's about how high my other one was. So you're just gonna drop the battery in like this. So we're gonna put the red on the plus sign, the black on the minus side, which is the negative. All right, we have the feeder on. So current time, it is 1:38 p.m. So the time I get there, it'll be 1:39. It's perfect, 1:39, okay? All right, 1:39 p.m. And we're gonna go to feed remaining. I'm gonna put, let's see, putting about 170 pounds in it. So we get that on there. Okay, then we're gonna go to our first setting. So when do we want it to go off first? Well, I want it to throw, let's see, Monday. I want it to go Monday through Saturday. Okay, we want it to be, I'm gonna say, let's say, oh, okay, here we go. We want to throw the first time at 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and, well, okay, I want to throw, man, this thing is, I want to throw for 5 seconds. Okay, and I want to throw on high. We're going to try that. So program that. Okay. Okay, timer 2. So timer 2, we want to go off about 4 o'clock in the evening. So 4 o'clock p.m. Okay, well, I want it to throw for 5 seconds as well. All right, program. Okay, that's it. All right, there it goes. Okay. So, question is, do I touch it to see how it shocks? Tell you what we're gonna do. Let's put it on the feeder first. Just take these little slots right here, slide it on. There you go. And twist. All right, I got this feeder motor. It's supposed to shock coons, squirrels, stuff like that. So I'm fixing to try it and see if it works. And it ain't shocking. What's up? It is on, but it ain't working. Oh, wait, it is working. Son of a gun. Yep, I bet you that will get their attention. Yep, good deal. Well, we've tested it. So now can't nobody say, oh, that's not safe for the animals because, well, I tried it. So I'm gonna cut the switch off. I'm cutting the switch off. And, whew, boy, boy, I couldn't imagine little fellas be wet. I tell you, it's got a pretty good little jar to it. Now, but nothing like a jar from the Gallagher hot box. It ain't nothing compared to that situation, except maybe straight out the wall. Okay. All right, let me get this back in here. I'll tell you what, this motor ain't, there it goes. Okay, so I cut it off. That's good. So let's get everything loaded up. I don't know if I want to leave the feeder. I think I may leave it right here this high. Only thing is it lets hogs be able to get to it a little better. But I can at least put corn in it right here. If I go higher, that's going to put it like 8 foot or 8.5 foot. And then I have to carry a 4-wheeler or a ladder every time I want to put corn in it. So, all right. Well, that is it. So, putting it together, I mean, it's nothing hard about it. But anyway, it's together, and now we're gonna get it loaded up. I got some corn. We're gonna try to get over there and go get it set up and get it going. Get that foot. Got these little stakes we're gonna put in the ground. I don't know if this really gonna do any good because they just bury up. But anyway, we're gonna put them in here. And we're just gonna let this one here just kind of hang, and hopefully it won't settle. I'm gonna have to get something put under that. All right, let me go get some corn now. Now the question is, can I get this bag up here and get it in here without spilling it? Oops. Yeah, we got to find something to go on that. This is the rice bran. We're just gonna put out one pile of it. Let's see, put that right here. Oh, I left a cup in there. All right. Boy, it's so nasty. All right, this is the other corn. And then I'm gonna go out and get a bag of rice bran, cotton seeds. If I don't hurry, the feeder's fixing to go off. Okay. What I have here is just some straight up cottonseed. I hear that deer like them, so we're gonna put some out and test the theory. Okay.